Want to make these authentic, savory, and delicious Korean pork tacos like a Galbi pitmaster? Here's a secret. It starts with a marinade. So how can you make this savory marinade? Well, Kay uses roasted sesame oil, gochujang, gochugaru, soy sauce, roasted sesame oil, and onion and apple, ginger, garlic, white pepper, lemongrass powder, rice vinegar, sugar, and a little agave to make this delicious marinade.
So today I'm making a special Korean marinade for pork, and very simple. Because I'm doing a 10-pound of meat, I'm using about 3/4 cup of soy sauce, and this is 1/4 cup of sesame oil, and I'm going to use, this is 1/2 cup of gochujang. This is Korean hot paste, rice vinegar, and it's not open. About teaspoon, whipping teaspoon, and I'm using a little bit of lemongrass powder, and I feel like it kind of kills a little bit of gamey taste in the meat. You're not even going to taste, just kind of kills gamey taste on the meat. And sugar. Let me see. I'm going to use about 5 tablespoons. And I'm going to have about half of peeled apples. Let me just put some flesh in it. Well, I guess I could put a whole onion in it. I'm going to put a whole onion in it. There's 1 bowl of garlic, all peeled and cleaned. And I am going to put some ginger. I'm going to peel. I love using ginger because it kind of also kills the gamey taste that gives nice flavor. This. And I am going to use about 1/4 cup of water to blend it. That is it. I'm going to blend it and taste. That's it. So at this point, you can use, you can make however your sweetness you like or spiciness. You can add some more gochugaru, but I'm not going to because since we can't have spicy food. But this is plenty spicy for us. And I'm going to add a little bit more. I had about 5 tablespoons of sugar, but I'm going to add maybe 1/4 cup of agave. There you go. And that should be good to go. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, so I'm going to marinate it. This is boneless pork shoulder. I'm going to slice them up and marinate for future taco. Future Korean tacos. You can have some friends over. Okay.
And now you know the secret to getting that Korean flavor into your pork or beef. This Korean marinade can be used for a variety of foods, including lettuce wraps, tacos, stir-fry, galbi, bulgogi, pork belly, or just that plain old barbecue. Make sure you save a little in the blender for dipping. We'll see you next time.